Did you know that a single sneeze can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. When you feel that tickle in your nose, your body is preparing for an explosive release of air, droplets, and germs. In fact, a sneeze can eject thousands of tiny droplets into the air, some flying as far as 30 feet. This is why covering your mouth when sneezing is so important. It's like creating a mini missile launch right from your face. So next time you let one rip, remember, you're not just clearing out your sinuses, you're also launching a sneezy projectile into the world.